2 critical driving skills. For Chloe's first driving lesson, we went over 2 critical skills for both passing her driver's test and keeping her safe when she starts driving on her own. And it's important for new drivers to focus on 1 or 2 things during a driving practice session. And no, just because we both wore red shirts for the driving lesson doesn't mean we're twinsies. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Yeah, so basically that's just all I want you to work on. Okay, like I said, your vehicle control is good, throttle, the brake, the steering wheel is good. Just make sure you keep your hands in contact with the steering wheel. But
drifting.
Well, not drifting, but you just like you naturally drive on close to the right side of the road, so you need to get over closer to the center line and trust the fact that cars are not gonna. They're not going to bulldoze you over, right? They're going to stay where they need to stay, and you stay where you need to stay, because especially with the snowbanks right now, you're closer than 3 feet, 1 meter to cars, and that's unsafe. So it's 3 feet minimum between parked cars, fixed objects, and other road users like pedestrians, especially pedestrians, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Yeah. So that and shoulder checking. So half your signal shoulder check, so shoulder check that way. Always in the direction you're going with the vehicle. So that and shoulder checking. So half a block, quick shoulder check, and then immediately before the turn, quick shoulder check, looking in the direction you want to go and go around the corner and turn. Okay. But good. So just work on those 2 things, and then next time we'll do something else.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yep.
Questions?
I don't think so, other than, what did I already ask? Oh yeah, I already asked my question about the going 2 over 50. Yeah,
no. And, you know, just try and keep it as close to 50 as you can. And like I said, it's going to be that scanning pattern, right? So you're going to be looking forward. You're going to in check your dash, up, and then in, check your mirror, out, check your wing mirrors, and then repeat that. So your speed management, managing your speed around 50 or the flow of traffic, whichever is less. So if the traffic, so what that means is if the traffic is going 30, obviously you're going to go 30 because you can't go any faster than that, right? And so what the examiner wants to see is that you're adjusting your speed every kind of 10 to 20 seconds in keeping with your scanning pattern that you're observing. Because if you're not, and you go 5 over for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, then they're like, oh, you're not observing at all, right? This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details. And it is challenging on a driver's test because you have to do the posted speed limit and the traffic flow is not doing the posted speed limit.
But that's also up to you,
Yeah, that's one of the hard parts to it, okay? So other than that, it's great. And try and get used to putting the parking brake on, which you've done. Perfect. That's excellent.
Yes. No, my mom kind of, Chloe, parking brake.
Yes. Well, especially if you start getting into a manual, right?
Yeah. No, for sure.
So,
oh, that wasn't a full stop.
No, it was not. The body's got to rest back like this. Your signal shoulder check. Anytime you move sideways, anytime you turn the vehicle, you got a shoulder check. All the confidence in the world. You don't like that green light?
No.
That green light is very terrible. Do not like that green light.
It's like a red.
It's terrible. It's the wrong shade. Like something more taupe, something more beige, you know, something more feminine. I'm going to stay here until they change it. Hang on there 1 sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best.